Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, we got a comfort control module from, I think they said a 2010 CC, and we're going to be doing all keys lost. This is one of the Volkswagens that takes the slot key, like all the CCs. And what we're going to be doing is going to open up the comfort control module and removing the EEPROM chip so we can read it. And we're going to be doing that with the IM508 XP400, and I think this is AP002. I just put the chip in. It's just something like this to be able to put the chip in and read it. So first step here is we've got to get the module open. So we'll do that. All right, so we got it out, and our EEPROM chip on this one is going to be right here. It's be this chip right here. So first thing I always recommend doing with this, and we have to actually remove that, I'm going to be using hot air, is taking a really good picture of the boards just so you get a picture of all the stuff around it just in case something goes wrong. And the next thing I like to do is just put some aluminum tape around some components that are right around the chip just to keep the heat from getting right on them, because the hot air can actually blow these resistors off. So I do like to just cover them up. So now I've got the ones right around it covered up, and that just keeps any of them from blowing away. And I've got the real good picture just in case something does happen. I've got a picture for reference to fix it if something does go wrong. But what we'll do now is we'll head over to the soldering station and we'll just remove the EEPROM chip. And then we're going to be putting it into our AP002 so we can read it. All right, so we've got our chip. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but we do have it in the AP002. And I think I've got it seated in there good, so it should read. If not, I just have to take it out and reseat it here, but go ahead and get it in the XP400. And we're going to head into Volkswagen. And we're going to do expert selection. And this is EMO 4, Comfort Module, Passat B6 and CC. We're going to be doing a 48 key. And now what we need to do is read EEPROM dump mode. And it's just telling us it's going to be reading the chip. And hit OK. It says power off the instrument cluster, take the chip off the module and put it in the programmer. So we've done that. And we'll see if we can get a good read here. EEPROM data read successfully. Asking if we want to save it. Yes. And I'm just going to name this here. And I don't know the customer, another locksmith brought me this, so just use his initials. And there we go. We got our VIN, our PIN, our CS code, everything that we need. There's 2 keys in the system. So that's actually saved on a tablet, but I always take a picture anyway. And we'll hit OK. And then from here, we want to actually write the key to the ECU. And we do need to actually make a dealer key, but when you go to write key ECU, I believe with Autel it actually does it for you. I haven't used Autel one of these in a while, but I'm pretty sure it actually prompts you. So we need to put the key into the XP400, so we'll do that. I'm going to hit write key to ECU. And we have an existing file, so hit F1. And we're going to just hit view, hit the bottom arrow, and it should pull up our right here on the top, right here. It's the one we just did. So we'll hit OK. There's all of our data right there, PIN and our CS. We'll hit OK. Connecting to the programmer, got the key in there, and it says to put the key in the programmer. Okay. Dealer key generated successfully. Okay. And we'll just put it into space 1. And once again, there's all of our CS and everything. We'll hit OK. And yes, we'd like to save the file after we modified it. So I'm just going to, once again, just put done. This is stuff I'm probably never going to need again because I doubt I'll ever see the car again, but we'll save it anyway. Tell us to put the chip back in the programmer. We never took it out, so we're good there. And now it should be writing the key to it right now. EEPROM written successfully. And now I just got to solder the chip back on, and then this will actually be able to plug right into the car and start it. And then all that needs to be done on the vehicle itself is just programming the remote. That can be done via OBD though when the guy brings it back to put it in. So we'll just hit OK. And that is it. So now we go ahead and put the chip back on. So we'll go do that real quick and then we'll close it out. All right, we got it back in the case here, and I just put in my little drop box outside for the locksmith to come pick it up, go put it back in the car. And like I said, he'll be able to start the car with the key as soon as he gets there. He'll just have to learn the remote, and that's it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And I have another one of these sitting here I may do with Key Tool Plus. If you want to check that out, if I do it, it'll... All right, so we got the chip back on and back in the case here, so... Got to give it to the other locksmith. He'll go put it back in the car, and he'll be able to just, once he plugs it in, just literally start the car right up. And he'll just have to program the remote, and job done. So if you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.